lesson 6, solving problems by finding equivalent ratios. This lesson is solving problems in which a ratio between two quantities changes, and it's very helpful to actually draw a before tape diagram and an after tape diagram as we work through problem solving. So this particular problem we're comparing on Saturday night. They're comparing the number of occupied rooms to unoccupied rooms. And we have a ratio of 2 to 5. Then we also have on Sunday night, the ratio is of occupied to unoccupied. Occupied to unoccupied is 6 to 1. Okay. They also give us some information that they had 432 occupied rooms on Sunday night. And our actual question is how many unoccupied rooms did it have on Saturday night? So we're going to go ahead and get our information. Remember, we're comparing, so we have Saturday night here. And our ratio is 2 to 5. So we're comparing occupied to unoccupied, and we'll let O stand for occupied, U for unoccupied. And we have a ratio of 2 to 5. So we'll go ahead and get our tape diagram set up for that. That would be like our before tape diagram. So we have occupied, and we're going to let two pieces represent that. And we have unoccupied, and we will let 5 pieces represent that. And look at that. So we have on Saturday night 2 pieces occupied to 5 pieces of unoccupied. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and do Sunday night also. So we'll do Sunday. And on Sunday, our ratio was 6 to 1, occupied to unoccupied. So we'll go ahead and again get our tape diagram set up for those. Okay, so we have our tape diagrams all set up. Now this is where we're going to use our given information. It said that there were 432 occupied rooms on Sunday night. So we're going to think about, so we have to be thinking, where do I put that 432? Do I put it here on occupied Saturday night? Unoccupied Saturday night? Oh, right here. Sunday night, occupied rooms. So this whole piece here is going to represent the 432. So this whole thing here is equal to the 432. Well, in order to find the value of these 6 pieces, how much is one of these pieces if 6 of them are worth 432, then we can go ahead and set up a division problem. So I have 432, and I need to find out what the value of each of those 6 pieces are. So we'll go ahead and do a division problem for that. And when we divide through, we get an answer of 72. So what does that mean? It means each of these pieces in here is worth 72. Well, we know from working with tape diagrams that if one piece is worth 72, every piece is worth 72 in both our after and over here on Saturday night, every piece in that tape diagram is also worth 72. So we can put a 72 in each of those. Well, now that we have found what the value of each of those pieces are of the unoccupied room on Saturday night. So we have 5 pieces. Each one has a value of 72. So 5 times 72 will give us our answer. And that gives us our answer of 360. So we can put our answer in there. There are 360 unoccupied rooms on Saturday night. So remember, when you have a ratio problem that involves a ratio between two quantities and how it changes, we can use two sets of tape diagrams, one for the before and one for the after. Hope this helps.